Hey guys, welcome back to Expose Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about a module that helps you save space on your internal memory whenever you download these games that have these massive library files. Yes, I'm talking about the OBB files that download after you download this 12 megabyte game from the Google Play Store. Let's check it out. So first thing we're going to do, download and install the actual module. It's OBB on SD, simple module, easy, very easy, small actually, size not that bad. Once you install it, check the box and restart the device, and you're pretty much set to actually use whatever the benefits of this module are right now. So next thing we want to do is obviously have a game that requires an OBB file or some type of program that requires this massive resource or library file. In this situation, I'm using Plants vs. Zombies 2, and this is just for the demo, and I happen to be playing the game, so it kind of works out great. Main thing you want to make sure is when you first launch the application itself, it's going to download this additional file. Generally, it will go onto your main SD card or main internal memory, and under Android, OBB, and you'll notice there's an actual folder for it, and that's basically where the files reside. Now, this is the file that's sitting on your main system memory. Now, a lot of us have 16, 32, some even come with 8 gigabytes of onboard storage, and that could be very limiting if every game you download has a 500 megabyte or 400 megabyte attachment that you need to keep there. What I have here obviously is the Note 3. It has 32 gigs of space, but I'd like to keep my additional files, these extra OBB files, additional right here, sitting on my SD card. So what we did here essentially is I turned on the game, and the folder is empty here, but once we go to this side, the actual attached file, I moved it to my SD card. And the main benefit of this essentially is now the game itself, using the module, recognizes the OBB file on the SD card as if it's built into the main memory, and it still runs the actual game itself. And we'll just give it a second, make sure you guys can see. It's loading the actual library file, and it's ready to play. So overall, very nice, very easy, simple module. The only thing you need to make sure to have is, and make sure to understand, when you install the actual the game itself, it's going to download the file. Make sure you let it download the entire file to your main memory. Then just transfer that file over to your SD card, same, the OBB folder under the Android folder. And you can keep the other folder empty. There's no real reason to keep it there, but you can keep it empty just for the reference. And the game itself will be able to recognize it. Restart the device once, and then you're pretty much set. So the module itself works pretty well. It's very simple, easy. It's an initial release, so basically keep in mind that it may not work on everything, but the main requirement you guys need to know about this, obviously, A, you need to have an SD card. That's like a requirement, otherwise you can't move the file to it. B, obviously, just kind of a disclaimer, Expose modules all require root. These are root-based functionality, so if you don't have root, you can't install the Expose installer, you know, all the good stuff. The other thing is this will save you space on your internal system, making it very simple, essentially, to keep things on your external SD cards. The ones that you can actually expand, go up to 64. Some devices can go up to 128 gigs. So you actually give yourself much better performance on your system when you keep less things on the main internal memory. So let me know what you guys think. Check it out. Again, keep in mind you need to have a game that does require OBB files. Not all games do. Check the game actually before you do that, and if you can't find it, make sure you check the developer's link. I'll give you guys information below the video here. As usual, like and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.